Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make an halter neck flare dress. An halter neck flare dress. You'll be needing your fabric. You'll be needing up to 3 yards or more depending on the size of the person that is going to wear it. Tailor's chalk, tape rule and scissors. Fold your fabric into two as seen here. Fold again into triangular form. Input your shoulder measurement. Get the desired dress length as seen here. Use neck measurement of 3 inches by 3 inches. Connect from the neck tip to armhole to form an halter neck as seen here. Input your bust measurement and connect to hemline as seen here. Cut it out as seen here. This will be the final result. Just add spiral or flare to the hemline as seen here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.